What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're in beautiful Long Beach. How does it feel? Okay, follow me, okay? And I'm taking my dad around. He's riding the Super73 S2. We're here in the parking lot. He's getting used to it. And I'm riding the Ariel Rider 52 volts X-Class. Let's get it. I'm showing my dad around. He's never been here. And yeah, it's his first time on the Super73 S2. Let's try to take him to pressing the button. Alright. I'm gonna try to take him to the Queen Mary, because he is a tourist. He hasn't been here. And as you guys know, LA Eastgate and LA PEV rides here regularly. So we're gonna get a little bit of a sightseeing from my dad. We're gonna go a little bit of an uphill to cross the bridge. So just press on the button, okay?
Okay.
Don't try to pedal. This isn't a pedaling bike.
Okay.
Okay? And I don't want your ankle to be hurt, okay? Just nice and easy. He got hurt from mountain biking. He sprained his ankle, so I don't want him pedaling at all today. I'll probably have him take pictures later on. Probably on the way back, we'll get some pictures right here. That would be nice. Downhill. Alright, I have to keep reminding myself that my dad is a senior. And in Philippines, they don't really drive over 20 miles per hour on the bike because there's so much traffic there that no one can really drive that fast. And they go by kilometers per hour. So, we're keeping it leisure, keeping it slow, trying to show him a nice time. 2-minute break, I'm just going to take photos. Okay? Alright. So we're getting closer to the Queen Mary. We're going to pass by it in a bit. But I'm just going to take pictures really quick. How did it feel?
Good.
Yeah? Okay. It's smooth, right?
Yeah.
Like, this bike is jerkier, right? This one is smooth. Like a smooth throttle.
Good.
Yeah. So far between the two, what do you like more, Dad?
Which one?
Remember you drove this last time for Christmas? And this is your first time riding this one, the Super73. What do you?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Oh, okay. There's no difference between this and this.
Oh, there's a difference, Dad.
Is there?
Yeah, this is torquier.
Oh.
Like when it pushes you,
Uh-huh.
this one is more smooth,
Yeah.
and it's slower. Hello?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm good.
Yeah, you're comfortable. Okay. So I'm gonna bring you closer to Queen Mary.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Okay, okay.
We're not too far. My dad likes to pedal a lot, so like kind of like me, but you know, when your balance is not as good as it used to be, it's good to just, huh? Yeah, ducks. It's good to just press the button when your balance is not as good anymore. So I'm encouraging him to just push the button. Don't worry about it. That's why these e-bikes are also, you know, especially the fat tires. They're really good for seniors. They're really like a mobility scooter, if anything. Okay, let's go. Let's roll. Let's get closer to the Queen Mary. Take some pictures. That's a fun thing about these e-bikes. Go just about anywhere. Take some pictures before you get yelled at the security guards. And by the time they catch you, you already got what you needed. I think right here would be good. Yeah, right where these cones are would be good. Alright, we're in front of Queen Mary. And pretty much just rolling on by. And there's a lot of people like loading on the cruise ship right now too. I rarely see people loading up the cruise ship Carnival, the Carnival cruise ship. We typically bike around here. Normally it's empty, but right now there's people loading the cruise. Yeah, look, there's a line. See? All right. Oh, that guy's late. Clear. All right, take a picture of my dad here with a Carnival. And then you can stop at the top of the bridge if you want to take pictures. Oh, and you could go on grass too, Dad. You could go on grass if you want. Yeah. All right. Telling my dad to lead a little bit so we can kind of get some content of him, since he would like to see this video afterwards. Okay, just stay in the bike lane. This is a reef restaurant right here. Pretty good food, and as a photographer, I've done some weddings there, if I remember correctly. Nice. Good work. All right. Going back to the mainland. Let's cross the bridge. You could stop at the top if you want. Yeah, stop, brake first. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of you, okay? It's okay, no one's here. We're gonna head towards the Shoreline Lighthouse. Shoreline Park by the lighthouse, but they call it the Lion Lighthouse, I believe. For a beginner e-biker, senior, I think the Ariel Rider takes getting used to, because it's just a lot more torque compared to the Super73 S2, being a 52 volt battery and also having a stronger motor metal winding. It's just more torqueier than the Super73 S2 overall. Pretty much going to be where the picnic is, where my family is. Let's go, Dad. Regular bikers are faster than my dad. Alright, just going slow here. Lots of people on this Monday afternoon. And here's our family doing picnic. They're right here. Hey! Alright, Dad. Okay, Dad, we'll be right back. Let's go. We're going so slow. Dad, they're faster than you. Behind you. Come on. Never want to be slower than the regular bikers, you know what I mean? That would be a shame. But I'm trying to look for a spot where I could take a picture of the lighthouse. We're gonna meet up with the family, asked them if they want to ride. If not, I think my dad had his fill. He didn't want to go to the Pike outlet or anything like that in the downtown Long Beach area. That would have been nice. He wants to stay with the bike lane today. And he wants to play it cool. Alright, we're back at the picnic. Okay. That's it. Dad didn't want to see the other stuff. You want to try, Ma? No. Anyone? You guys? Look at this godson of mine on the tablet. Hey, you okay? Are you winning?
I'm trying to win.
You're trying to win? Okay, good job. Keep trying.
Oh no, just to...
And my little niece here. High five. Thank you. My sister has this beautiful picnic set up here.
It's just a little messy now.
Alright folks, that's going to be today's quick leisure e-bike adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. We're going to be loading the bikes soon. Don't forget to check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on a Super73 Ariel Rider or a DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.